All right, y'all. So I had to come on here. Oops, move my camera. I had to come on here and show you guys the end result of this curly wig that I was coloring on camera a little bit. Literally, the lighting does it no justice. Let me see if I turn off my salon light. You really can't really see it that much. I'm just in love. I guess I could just turn her around so you guys can see the browns and the golds in this wig. I'm absolutely in love with. She is so beautiful. So hopefully you guys can see her color. I don't know if you guys can see it better that way, but she's done. She is ready to go. I am about to put her on the website. I actually have a lot of wigs that I need to style and put on the website. You guys saw me coloring all these wigs. Now I'm gonna go through and show you what they look like style wise. So I have about 4 wigs to show you, 4 more wigs to show you that I've colored. But so far, this is the Burmese curly, and I did an all over color, and then I did a number 4 for the root, and then of course I left the ends and a little highlighted. I guess you could say they're more golds, copper golds in the highlighted areas, but this wig is super beautiful, you guys. I am like super excited. So she'll be on the website. Moving on to the next.